Okay, this is the end result from an 18-month R&D program led by Technical Composite Systems, and it's a structural housing for aircraft antennas. Aircraft need to communicate with a number of different sources. You've got satellites, you've got other aircraft, you've got flight control, you've got data channels. Requirement for data is only ever increasing, so you're going to need more antennas, which means they need to be smaller, and it's better for them to be lighter. So in our projects we worked with our customer, the end user, to make these structural trays that house the antennas and look after them. So the first challenge was to take the existing material, which is aluminium, and replace it with a composite material. So this is a carbon fibre based epoxy material, and what we had to do was go through a number of calculations to work out what would be the best candidate materials, which of these materials can survive various temperatures, various shocks, and also the mechanical loadings of a flight condition. We then went through a tooling design and manufacture of these prototype trays. This isn't the first one we made by any means. We made a good few with different materials, different layouts, different configurations. Now, why this is attractive to our customers, it's lighter because we've got composite materials replacing metal, but it's also smaller. We're able to shrink that size using some clever materials called metamaterials that were developed in collaboration with the University of Exeter. So this project, led by TCS alongside the University of Exeter and Composite Antenna Systems, developed this working prototype, which has been tested with an antenna inside it and the frequency selective surfaces, and it's passed all of the pre-flight qualification tests. Working on novel technologies is absolutely key to TCS. We're a manufacturing small to medium enterprise, and producing products, selling them to our customers is core to our business. That's what we're about. But just like lots of other British industry, we've got a lot of good ideas, and what we're looking for is support to put those ideas into practice. And for me, this is a great example of us being able to do that with support from the British government and the NATEP programme, because we want to put our money where our mouth is. Half of this is funded by ourselves, but there's no way I'd be standing here with a finished component that we know works, has been tested to work, without some support and guidance from the NATEP programme. So even though we're not a research establishment, I think the fact that a small company can pick up an idea, take it forward, deliver, and show our capability is a really powerful thing, and I'd encourage other companies to do the same if you believe in the technology, and I'd encourage the bigger customers that want technology like this to come and speak to us.